Hello, it's Dan from Torr Overland, and in today's video you join me and Nick from Hut as we camp and explore some of Wales for a day. I've had my Roof Space 4 tent for nearly 5 months now, and I've got to say I'm growing to love this thing more and more as I live with it. I mean, here's a great example. I put the tent up but need to move where I'm pitched. No worries whatsoever with this thing, as its engineering and design mean you don't need the ladder for support. Naturally, this is something my kids want me to drive them round up than atop, but I think I'll err on the side of my wife's wisdom and refrain from that excitement for now. As the sun winds down, we enjoy the views, light a fire and get ready for a full day of driving tomorrow. Hello there.
Still waking up, I'm not really that hungry yet. Actually quite quick to put away. You think like rooftop tent, big rooftop tent faff, but it's actually, you've got it sorted much quicker than I have.
Yeah, that was when I was, I even started closing some stuff which I didn't need to, because it's brain fade. But, don't need to do that.
It's not too bad really, is it? I mean,
no.
You come, you've arrived, you set up, it only took you sort of 5 minutes, isn't it? And you've only taken one.
Yeah, how was it last night in here?
It's fine, yeah.
That's good. Yeah, what do you like with condensation?
Nothing.
Really?
Yeah. No, I had the windows open, so it's zero.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. If I didn't have the windows open, then that would change. Oh, I say the windows open a crack.
Yeah.
Then it would definitely be condensed in the windows.
So one of these, some car shades. So these, these look like they are made for the D4.
They are, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Thing is, I park side on to the sun.
Yeah.
So even though they're good at keeping out some of the sun when it's bright, I really need to just lay a tarp over the side or something.
Yeah, because you have got blackout at the front, more so.
Yeah, I mean that's more about keeping the sun off than it is.
Okay.
It's not about, come summertime, it's not about warmth, it's just about, not cooking basically.
We leave camp and head north, stopping off along the way to make the most of stunning views and atmospheric conditions. Yeah, currently driving along Strata Florida, and I've got Nick behind from Hut Life, and it's just good fun. Got the whole place to ourselves, been getting the drone up, getting some really cool footage on the go. Got some, if I spin it round, got the company of some sheep over here as well. It's good. everyone's favourite hole. Roar. I thought I'd take the opportunity to snap some photos of the BootCamp system whilst I'm parked at the bottom of the bomb hole. And no, I've not broken down. Driving the trails are great, but if you're anything like me and are ruled by your stomach, not much beats stopping off and being able to brew up a coffee and cook some grub. If you've watched my video from last year about travelling as a family, you'll recall I talked about how my cooking and kitchen setup had plenty of room for improvement. I thought that was going to manifest as a DIY drawer system of sorts, but lack of time and ultimately skill put paid to that. This is where my BootCamp system is fantastic, and with both me and Nick there, we effectively had 2 kitchens to sort out our lunch. He's a fellow Disco 4 owner, and as such, the models that we both have on our trucks are made to perfectly fit in there. I particularly appreciate the form factor that allows access to 6th and 7th seat spaces, where you can flip them up to reveal further storage. The Disco 3 and 4 really are such a great design. You'll be hard pushed to persuade me of anything better when it comes to its size, practicality, capability and comfort. Anyway, this is enough of me waffling on, and thanks for joining our day in Wales. If you've never been, you really should. Feel free to message me and I can help give pointers from where to start. And as always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoy this type of thing, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, ahoy!